Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and I got the Woods light bulb changer kit. Now what I'm about to do is change a BR30. BR30. That's right, BR30, and that BR30 is up there, and you're about to see it. So within this kit, actually the default piece, the large basket, is for use with changing an R30, R40, and PAR floodlight bulbs. So without further ado, let's get into this here. Really cool piece of kit, as they might call it across the pond. So we're going to take all this out, trying not to cut our fingers. Let's see. So there's this piece. And then there is, whoa, that piece. This piece right here. Oh. There's that piece. And then this right here is a small basket for changing incandescent bulbs. Small basket. Yep, there's that. And now we're just left with the big kahuna that we're going to use for the BR30. BR30. I may have to utilize some scissors. Okay, so we got the scissors. We cut this out without cutting ourselves here. Okay, so this thing extends. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. That's probably overkill. So we're going to start with the, we're going to get to the changing location here, which is on the stairs. You see there, we've removed the bulb. And now we're going to put a BR30 LED in it. So this is the LED bulb. And it's important to remember you tighten this screw piece there, because otherwise you're going to run into some trouble. So put your new bulb in, make sure this is tight. I'd also make sure this is tight so it doesn't twist undesirably. And then just stick that up in there. Screw it in. See if it's in there. there you go. That's how to change a light bulb using the little tool. So there you go. That's how I replace a hard to get to light bulb using this tool. And again, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order this tool online. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.